Hi guys, Chris here again. So what are we learning today? So we're doing interpolation. I don't like statistics, but I do Python, okay? So with Python, makes me understand statistics because I've done most of this in Python, and you do some coding and you analyze some data. So I've done that, okay? All right, that's by the way. So how can we do this manually? If you go to Python, Jupyter Notebook and others, you can easily work with pandas and co. All right, let's say this. So we told to estimate the upper quartile. Interpolation is used to find median, quartiles, and percentiles to get the exact. So imagine I tell you, what is the median of this data? You know the median should be somewhere here. But how do you get the exact value? That is what interpolation is used for. So it's mainly used to find median, quartiles, and percentiles. Okay, percentile is like 10 percentile, 50th percentile, like that. All right, let's get into business. Now, what do we do from here? So first, let me determine the frequency. So the frequency is summation of frequency. That will give me 2 plus 25 plus 30 plus 13. That's 70. And I know my upper quartile, we use Q3 to represent upper quartile, Q2 for median, Q1 for lower quartile. Is 3/4 of the frequency, 70. So that will give me times 3 divided by 4. That will give me 52.5. So this median is in this position. It's in the 52nd.5th number, or 0.5. Okay, so that's the position. Now, how do we find it? Because we cannot just go inside the data and get the number out. Okay, so what do we do? So we use interpolation. So interpolation is mainly making an estimate for, so we don't know Q3, we know it's in this position. Okay, we know it's in this position. And we know that, so remember I'm finding Q3 is in this position. So what do we do? So first thing I will do is to take my bounds. So I'm going to take my bounds now. So see what I'm going to do. So from here, 52.5 will be here because this is 2757. So it is somewhere here. So I'm doing two things. This place to this place and this to that. All right. So then, like I said, from here to here and from here to here. So I know the position is here. So I'm going to take the frequency up to that. So that will be 27 because this plus this up till this, because I know I am here. So I'm going to take the frequency up till there and the frequency beyond that point. So in this box, before that point and within that, after that point, because it's somewhere here. So this will be 57, 55, 57. So this is like the position. This is the position of each frequency. Now, what do I put here? So in this place, look at this line. So I will take the lower bound and the upper bound. So the lower bound of this number is 33.5. And the upper bound of this number is 36.5. So you're dealing with this box. Take the frequency before, take the frequency on the box after. Take the lower bound of this number and take the upper bound of this number. So I'm done. So what will I do now? Q3 minus 33.5 over, so this minus this, over 52.5 minus 27 is equals to 36.5 minus 33.5 over 57 minus 27. So this minus this minus this. So I'm just going to press calculator. This is what I want to do. I'll press all of this in the calculator, times and add. So let's see. So 36.5 minus 33.5, 36.5 minus 33.5, 57 minus 27. So I'll get 0.1 for this. Then I cross multiply with this. 52.5 minus 27. So you get, so Q3 minus 33.5 is equals to 2.25, 2.55. Then you just add plus 33.5. That gives me Q3. So the upper quarter is 36.05. So this is my upper quartile. Okay, now let's quickly do the 10 percentile. So you should have an idea of what we're doing now. So I'm just going to erase this. The 10 percentile, this is A, and this is B. So the 10 percentile, 10% is just 10%. So we call it P10. So 10% of 70. I repeat the same thing. So that will give me this. So that will be 7, right? Yeah, that will be 7. So this is in the 7th position. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So that will be, now where is the 7th position? So just watch what I'm doing. So the same thing. So I'm finding P10. Then this is in the 7th position. So the 7th position definitely will be here. Will it be there? No, it will not be there. It will be here because the first and second number is here. The 7th number will lie here. Okay, so what did we do here? Same thing. So I take the frequency before that. So this is 2. And I take the frequency beyond that. So remember now I am in this box. I am here now. So I take the frequency before and I take, so I'm taking this and I'm taking this. So that will give me 2 and 27. So you always put the position of the frequency down. So frequency down, then the data up. So now the next thing is I'm in this box. So I need the lower bound, so 31.5, and the upper bound. So lower bound here, upper bound. So that will give me 33.5. So I repeat the same thing, P10 minus 31.5 over 7 minus 2 is equal to 33.5 minus 31.5 over 27 minus 2. Now let's check. So you press this. This is, so this will be 33.5 minus 31.5 times 5. They already divide by 5. That's not divided by 5. So I'm pressing this, I'm just doing everything. So 33.5 minus 31.5. So you can press and see if it's the same. Divided by 27 minus 2. Okay. Times 5 plus. So this gives everything here. So P10 minus 31.5 gives me 0.4. So my P10 will be plus 31.5. So my P10 will be 31.9. So this is my 10th percentile. So I hope you understand what is happening. So this is one way of doing it. I'm going to make another video of the other way, whereby this is not inequality. All right, guys, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Take care of yourself and bye.